Alright, boys. This is Easy Beagle again. I had to retake this since I ran to another EAS scenario. This EAS scenario is called... No, this EAS Mini Scenario is... Look around, a surprise is here. Anyways, let's get this started. Oh. Yeah, wait, this is the emergency broadcast system. Weird. This is unknown. Credits to the original owner.
This message is being transmitted by the request of the White House. This is
an
an emergency action notification sending you this message. At approximately 10:24 p.m. night, an unidentified event changed the moon, and anyone who sees it will become insane and drive them to force people to look at the moon. Stay inside. Protect your life. Close windows and doors.
Oh my god.
Go somewhere that has no windows.
Vampire girl may be
if
causing
this thing gets worse than martial law might be right.
Crap.
Go to CNN for more information.
Okay.
They cause mass devastation, and they might kill you. This is a dangerous situation, and they might go through mirrors. Stop them.
Oh boy, they don't not cause mass damage. They cause dangerous situations. Okay, they gotta do that. Okay, there we go. Hello. It's nice to see you all panic. Yeah, help you today. Look around. Surprise is here. We will go to. Death? Good night. Holy crap, that is creepy. And goodbye. Holy crap, this is so scary. Releasing tape? What do you need to release the tape for? Tape released. Have a nice day. Hello, Sonic.
Wow, that was interesting. Where do you get those tapes from?
Where?
I got these tapes from our old house where lived as children. I went to the attic to find something cool, and then I find a box that was labeled Secrets. It was filled of old tapes from my dad's past life when he was in the army.
Are these females?
I found it and bring it home there. So that's what that box was, but I don't think we can't watch these. Why? Well, you know.
What the hell is this?
I wonder what could it be? Oh, this is the end.
Okay. This is the end of the video. More scenarios coming soon. Well, I'm making the scenario right now with this giant Miku. Okay, thanks for watching. Peace.